Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a healthy and flavorful dish, Bok Choy with chicken stir fry. This dish is delicious as well as super healthy as Bok Choy is full of vitamins. So let's start. I am going to marinate 200 grams of boneless chicken. I am adding half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon salt, a little black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. I have sliced the chicken into thin strips for faster cooking. I have added baking soda. It will make the chicken extra tender. Mix well and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, chop fresh bok choy. I have taken about 250 grams of bok choy. I have already chopped 3-4 garlic cloves also. Now I am going to blanch the bok choy stems in boiling water for a minute just to keep them crisp and tender. I am putting the blanched bok choy into ice water to keep it crisp and fresh. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Next I am adding some chopped garlic and red chili flakes. This is going to add a nice flavor to the dish. Add the marinated chicken and cook on medium-high heat until it turns brown and fully cooked. Now I will cook the chicken for about 3 minutes. Adding a little more salt now just to balance everything out. When it's done, take it out and keep aside. Now it's time to saute the bok choy. I'm heating some oil in the same pan, adding chopped garlic, a bit of oyster sauce, soy sauce and some red chili sauce for that extra flavor. Then in goes the bok choy. Give it a quick toss. Let them cook for a while. Then in go the blanched stems after a few minutes. I'm adding some salt to the bok choy and letting it cook for 2 minutes just until it dries up. I'm adding a little bit of sugar, also adding a pinch of black pepper. Let it cook for about a minute. Now I'm adding the cooked chicken back into the pan. Give everything a good mix so the flavors come together. A quick stir and we are done. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top and it's ready to serve. Try this recipe and if you like it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.